Hello guys, I'm Zameer and you're watching Tech Informer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install GameSpace in your Realme or Oppo device. As many people, including me, have uninstalled my GameSpace for installing new version of GameSpace by seeing in the blogs and many forums and watching videos. But after uninstalling my GameSpace, I have lost my stock GameSpace, but the GameSpace which I wanted to install is not at all installing. For around 2 months, I have played games without GameSpace. In the forums, you might have tried the applications, but the APKs will not be installed. GameSpace is very important for counting FPS in the game, changing performance mode like competitive mode, gaming mode, balance mode. You can also set the brightness lock, graphics and other stuff too. After working out on several methods, finally I have found a solution. If you are came for the first time to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon to be notified on every update from Tech Informer. Without wasting further time, let's get started into the video. Firstly, open Google Chrome and search for support Realme software update. Guys, do not worry, I am providing the website links in the description box below. Open first search result. Just scroll down, you can see there are number of devices. Select your device. I am using Realme X2 Pro, so I am looking for my device. You have to verify the version of your phone and the OZIP. After verifying the OZIP version and your phone version, download the OZIP. If you are using a Oppo device, then you have to visit Oppo website, in which you have to select the series and look for your phone model. After confirming your device model and the version of your phone and the OZIP, you have to download OZIP as usually. After downloading, you have to extract the OZIP. I'm extracting in my PC, you can either extract in your mobile phone. The size of the file is 3 GB, so it might take some time, so do not worry about that. If you are extracting in your phone, then it might take even more time, so do not worry about that. After extraction, open extracted folder and open data updated patch, in which open app. You will find GameUI.apk. This is a GameSpace application. It's renamed as GameUI.apk. You have to place this file in your phone. I'm placing it in my phone storage. Then open your file manager and look it for your APK where you have placed it. Just open your file manager and tap on the application and click on install. Guys, you can see the application is successfully installed. Before it was not at all installing, so this is the trick you can follow. Let's open the GameSpace application and check out whether all features are working fine or not. Guys, this is the GameSpace application, in which we have competitive mode, performance mode and settings like automatic brightness lock, bullet notification and much more. This is the only working trick I have found till now. Guys, if you have uninstalled the GameSpace before, by this way you can restore it again. Guys, add your games to your GameSpace and enjoy. So guys, that's it for today. Love you all. This is Zameer signing off. Catch you in my next video.